Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. The shop is busy today. We have a 2004 Subaru here for radiator, and I have this lovely, very lovely 1991 Toyota truck, right? Toyota pickup for detailed inspection. And I saw many normal things, and I also discovered something what you don't see every day. Let me show you. This is older vehicle, right, with 160,000 miles, and the fact that the brake fluid is nasty and, you know, should be replaced long time ago, flushed basically, right? If you look on the color, it's bad, contaminated. That doesn't surprise me, and that's not the reason why I'm filming it. What shocked me was the quality of the fluid which is supposed to be in this clutch master cylinder. This vehicle is manual, right? So therefore it has a clutch. You can see here that nice 5-speed stick shift. It works perfectly. The customer has no problem with clutch or shifting, but look, performing the inspection, look what I have found inside. First of all, when I opened it, there's no fluid, right? Where is the level? This is the floater. This is that plastic little floater. It's supposed to be floating on top of the fluid. There's nothing except some kind of super thick, like a muddy substance. Once again, this should be all full, right, of the nice and clear fluid. Look at his mud. Yet, somehow, shockingly, this still keep working. He still can perfectly shift, and there are no problems. Aren't Toyota just genius vehicles? They really run and run and run. Incredible. And today it's my first inspection on this vehicle, so I will clean it as much as I can, right, just for that person to be safely driving around, and when he will come back in the future, I will perform complete clutch system flush, right? I need to replace all that bad stuff which is inside. So it was really quickly something interesting for you. Be subscribed. I have way more coming your way in the future. See you later, my friend.